Hey kids, ever have a bully who tries to hurt you? Maybe shoves you down? Have you tried to walk away and they follow you? Well, now this song will show you what to do. If you wanna stop a bully, do a block. If you wanna stop a bully, do a block. Block 'em once, block 'em twice. You're trying to be nice. If you wanna stop a bully, do a block. If you wanna stop a bully, do a kick. If you wanna stop a bully, do a kick. Kick them once, kick them twice. You try to be nice. If you wanna stop a bully, do a kick. If you wanna stop a bully, hammer fist. If you wanna stop a bully, hammer fist. Hammer once, hammer twice. You're done being nice. If you wanna stop a bully, hammer fist. Now your school may say you're doing something wrong, keeping your body safe with this song. Talk to mom, talk to dad. You'll see that they're not mad. They'll really, really be proud of you. The moral of the story is to protect yourself. Do what your school wouldn't do. If you wanna stop a bully, do a block. If you wanna stop a bully, do a kick. Hammer fist on the nose to everyone that shows that you'll never ever get bullied again.